So I started out on blow dried hair, and what you see me doing is putting in my gel. I'm detangling it through with my Denman brush just to try to make it as smooth as possible, and I'm doing it piece by piece. I'm slathering that thing with some gel piece by piece. This will help it lay down when you actually start with the braid. I found that this is much easier if you have 4C textured hair. If you have really thick hair, you need to be able to do this piece by piece, because if not, it will never lay flat. So I continue to do that. Now, once I get to the top and I'm putting the gel in, then I start to add a little bit of the pomade too at the same time. And once I slick that back, I just hold it down with a clip, and make sure you get those big crocodile clips. They work so well. They could grip so much of your hair, and that is definitely needed for the 4C ladies. Once you complete one side and you have it all clipped down in the way, you can go ahead and brush it down with a boar's bristle brush. Oh my god, that's a tongue twister. Once you do that, tuck it all the way to the back. And this is about as much hair that I use for each braid. You don't need a lot of hair. You want it to look natural as possible. And oh, I actually like this little hairstyle with the cute bun. I gotta do that again. Anyway, so go ahead and take out your twist. Let me turn around to the back so you guys can actually see what's going on. I am splitting my hair into 3 sections as I prepare to start off with the braid. Okay, and be very gentle. Take the outside in to the middle. You want to start off with the braid in your own hair. And be sure, really take your time with this so you can pull it taut, but not too tight. So I start off the braid for maybe like 3 rotations. Okay, and position your, I'm trying to get in view so you guys can actually see what's going on. Okay, so hold it in place. Take 1 strand of the Marley hair, and I detangled the strands individually. Put it behind, and then start off with the braid. Okay, so again, I'm taking another piece that I detangled. I'm putting it under the braid that I started behind and just joining it to 2 strands, the center strand and the outside strand. Okay, so go ahead and just start the braid back up again. And then I go in. I'm trying to make sure it's smooth. I'm smoothing out my hair so it could all blend in together. Now, as you can see, I'm getting to the end of my actual natural hair. And so even more so in this section, you want to make sure you get it nice and tight so that your hair won't poke out. Keep on braiding down and determine how often you need to add on a piece of Marley braid hair. Make sure you're detangling through. So once you get down to the middle length of what you want for your braid, you want to start thinning out the hair. Just keep the scissors partially open and just slide it down and you're taking out hair piece by piece. So you're just taking out some of that thickness, so the braid at the bottom will be a little thinner and it'll give you more of a seamless look. Continue to braid down until you reach the end. Go ahead and secure with a rubber band once you made it to the end. Go ahead and grab any curly crochet hair that you have on hand and some rubber bands. Then take the end of your braid. You see the crinkly Marley braid hair that's at the top. And so you want to just wrap the curly crochet hair right around the ends of the braid. So I'm just securing it on with a rubber band. I chopped off the leftover Marley braid hair that was on the ends just so it could only be the curly crochet hair. So I went ahead and secured it with a bobby pin. I just threaded a bobby pin right through. I'm just cutting the hair to make it a little fluffy and it won't be just a straight blunt cut. There'll be some layers with the curls. And there you have it. Yay! So happy. And this is the finished product, y'all. I was feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Hey, feeling myself. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, Adia Sherelle, and follow me on Instagram at Adia_Sherelle. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Love you, friends. Bye.